Okay, so this video clip is in continuation with our promo video in which we have showcased our investing prowess, and we have created so many multi-baggers. As you have seen how it has multiplied, how our money has multiplied several times. Okay, so that kind of wealth is created based on certain knowledge. Okay, so what we have done is we have tried to encapsulate all our knowledge and secrets in the form of video lectures. And if somebody goes to those video lectures, they can expect that they can find good great stocks and think of creating wealth like us, similar results, right? So keeping that in mind, we have designed this course. Okay, so so we will in this video we will be discussing the course salient features. What this course can do to you. Okay, okay, to the students who will be undertaking this video lectures. Okay, okay, so what sets us apart? Why us? The course salient features. So these are the salient features I have listed, so we'll discuss them one by one. Okay, and yeah, so we are good to go. Okay, so before I thought like the purpose of this course is to like train the today's youth. Okay, so that they become successful stock market investors themselves, because these courses are not taught in the academies. So this is very rare. So okay, so and also we have identified certain problem statement from the students and the working professionals perspective. So we at iSkill India Online Training Services, OPC Limited, OPC Private Limited, we aim to upskill the today's youth by offering them our valuable pre-recorded video lectures on successful stock market investing, which comes with the below salient features. So we'll see these salient features one by one. Okay, so okay, all right. So the feature one, like in this course we'll be teaching all the secret whatever we know on successful stock market investing. And through this course you will be learning all the secrets, right? So there are certain do's and don'ts, and certain things are there, some deep lying secrets, how to do actually, so we'll be equipping all the students how to create wealth. So you have seen like what kind the kind of wealth we have created, the times our money has multiplied over, and the multi-baggers. So through this course we will be aiming to train the students whoever will be undertaking our video lectures. So in this they will be able to identify good stocks and invest in them from the secondary market, which is already listed stocks, and the IPOs, so upcoming IPOs now. So for in the case of secondary market now, the data are already available, right? So it is very straightforward thing for a student to identify whether to invest in the stock or not. But in the case of IPOs, it is little tricky. So what we have done is we have created some Excel sheet and prepared few lectures on IPO, how to hunt them, how to identify them. So you just have to do, we have shown how to do actually. So some IPO is coming, so we have taken there all the financial data and put all those data in the Excel sheet, and then your all the parameters will be available. So you can take a call that whether to go for this IPO or not. So that way, okay. So this is straightforward to learn. This is little tricky. So this we have also made very easy, because IPO nobody want to miss, initial public offer. So yeah, so now you will be equipped to analyze both the secondary market stocks and the upcoming IPOs. So yeah, it is that way. Okay, so you will be overall in this feature you will be learning all the secrets, deep lying secrets. Some people may not tell you. You will take a lot of time to learn by yourself. So we have put everything together. ठीक है. Okay, so second feature is to bring financial literacy and sense of financial security among the students, helping them to manage their finances. ठीक है. So in this kind of things are not taught in the academies, right? Mostly they in the schools and colleges you will have that economics classes and all those things, some few subject of entrepreneurship, and that's all. ठीक है. But the how to manage your finances, how to have your financial goals, how to go about it, whether you are picking right financial instrument to meet your financial objectives of your life, all these things are not taught. So you will be from this course you will be like well equipped, you know. All right. So when you create this financial kind of like when you create some kind of wealth, no, some kind of gains from the by stock market investing, financial security will anyway creep in, right? Okay, that will bring financial security. Okay, so now salient feature 3. See, we all from the age of any person from age 21 to 60, the people will be like spending all their life for money, right? Either they will be doing job or business or anything for the livelihood, for earning their bread and butter. They will be spending all this time, right? So what we have to do is what we thought is like, why not train the people to build that wealth. Money is required now. Wealth is like various channels of money, and without doing anything some money is continuously flowing to you. So that is the wealth. Okay, and that you can to build a thing through the stock market. We will be building that thing so that you can do passively, whether you are without leaving your occupation, whether you are a student or a working professional or pursuing your passion. So you don't have to leave all those, and still you manage. You have to park your money smartly and create this wealth. Okay, so parallelly this money will be generated, you know, while you are in working, like spending this time for money, uh, spending your time in your winning your bread and butter and livelihood. Okay, so fourth feature is like to equip with the rare skill. This is a very rare skill, right? Stock market investing, only 5% of the people uh, become successful in the win money in the stock market. So it's a very rare skill. Okay, see this, and this is not taught in any academies, and this could last for till one's lifetime. One's lifetime in the sense like, so suppose somebody has learned this skill at 20, so till 70, till he can enter something in the keyboard, see properly and enter in the keyboard. So till 70 years now, so he can invest confidently because he will be knowing everything now. So at least 50 years this knowledge will be useful to him, no? Yeah. Okay, so that way. So any so feature number 5 is like any 10th or 12th student should be able to understand our course. This is that simple. Okay, it is not a rocket science. So without impacting their studies or without impacting your work life, na, in the case of working professionals. So only this is the qualification required minimum. Okay. Okay, so what is required is basic mathematics, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. You must be knowing. That is required, and to spot ascending order, descending order pattern. If you are able to do this even the nursery children can do, no, kindergarten. Okay, so and the percentage calculation. So this much is required. Okay, and then some rules we have to follow, some do's and don'ts. That is covered in the courses, you know, and then little discipline, and then little common sense, you know, that much is required. Only that much is required to achieve success in the stock market investing. Okay, you don't have to be a genius to succeed in the stock market, you know. ठीक है, you just average above average person can do wonders. ठीक है, because one story is there, you can google it out. Isaac Newton, no, that's famous scientist, he was a genius, right? So he lost in the stock market. Initially he won, like he has created some got some gains, but later at some point he lost, no? So it doesn't, you don't have to be genius. So genius can be fooled here in this. So certain rules you have to follow, and little discipline and little common sense you have to use. All these are incorporated in our class, in the video lectures. ठीक है, how to do it properly. ठीक है, and why I am saying 10 12, because this is a Warren Buffett, well known investor. He's in the top 5 richest person. So he says that I started investing at the age of 11. So he might be in how much? Oh, fourth or sixth grade, na? ठीक है. So he says that I was late. So by that given that, at least 10 12 students should be able to understand this, because this thing they must have learned this, no. So this much is required, and some rules they can follow from the video lectures. Okay, yeah. Okay, so feature 6 is like after the course completion, right? Once the student the course is like 32 episodes available in both in Hindi and English, and the run time is 40 minutes to 1 hour each. Okay, so 32 episodes both in Hindi and English. So after the student complete the course, I will be supporting for 12 months for free. Okay, that's a free support. So the idea behind is like I will be I want to make you a pakka investor, I want to see you to make money. Okay, so that is the reason. So I will be supporting you, or you can be like asking all your questions, and I will be recording the video answers and re-uploading in the platform. Okay, so that they can get their queries cleared. So whatever queries there you can shoot, and I will be recording the video answers, explaining them, and then re-uploading in the platform. Okay, so 12 months is free. Later on there will be very nominal charges, Okay, yeah. Okay, so feature 7. So this teaches the pre-recorded video lectures teaches the student how to analyze any business, the stock on their own. So they don't need any help. They should be able to do on their own. Just give any stocks. Just tell me whether this is investable or not. To invest, track, monitor, and manage, all on their own, independently. They don't have to depend on any expert or anyone, or news or anything. They will see the thing, and they can take a call whether I should invest or not. So that level of understanding will be given in our video lectures. So we will be preparing our student like that. Okay, the student feature number 8. So our video lectures teaches a correct investor behavior, how to think like an investor itself. So some stock is there. So how, when to invest, how much to invest, why to invest, whether it is high price or low price, whether to buy more, when to sell, all those things, and when the market crashes, how to behave, all those things, everything has been explained in our video lectures. The importance of patience, because we are making wealth, we are not making Maggie, so it won't be ready in 2 minutes. Rome was not built in a day, so we have to be patient, and how to handle the emotional aspect. Okay, so when the market crashes, some emotion will trigger, some when the market rises, so all those things, how to handle all those emotions. Okay. Okay, so next feature of our courses is like no hefty fees. So our fees are less than 1% of any professional program, like engineering or medicine you're taking. So it will be like the cost of a mobile phone, today's smartphone, a basic smartphone. is under 10,000. So but it would be useful till rest of your life, and it will solve all major financial problems, right? So the kind of wealth you will be creating. So fees is not too high here. Okay. So this is our course is designed in such a way that should be affordable to all uh, the people from all the walks of life. So for the common man, should not be too heavy on his pocket. Okay. So keeping that in mind, we have designed kept the fees that much. All right. So next feature is that lots of examples are discussed. Lots of examples, real-time examples. So which stock to pick, which stock to avoid, like Satyam kind of case. Na? So you should be well aware, well equipped that you should be well equipped to avoid such kind of stocks. Even that something like Satyam is boiling, bubbling, you will come to know in the as very quickly. You will spot it. You won't pick the junk stock at all. So the course is designed such a way that you won't be picking any junk stock at all. So you will be picking high quality stock in the first place. So if something is suppose you have put chosen invested in a stock, and after some time it has some problems. Okay, so we will come to know very quickly some problem is there. So you will be trained like that in this our course. Okay, through our video lectures. Okay, so feature number 11 is the students. Those students learn many skills, right? Software skills like programming, database, machine learning. So many things are there, right? But the problem is that they become obsolete with the passage of time or technology change. But stock market investing skills now, this could last for one's lifetime, because companies will be there, so they will be keep on go on listing on one or the other exchanges. So you have to be very smart and picking those stocks. Okay. So stock market investing skills, you can use this knowledge for your lifetime. Okay. So it's like learning a bicycle. So once you learn, you will never forget. Yeah. So next feature, feature number 12 is like student and working professionals can consider accommodating this training course as a part of their extracurricular activities, or they can take this after their college hours or work hours. So after they return from the college or after they return from the office, they can learn from the comfort of their home in their free time. So the course will be available on the platform 24/7. Okay, and then they can repeat n number of times, and the validity of the course will be like 12 months. So within these 12 months, you can run through this chapter or video lectures n number of times. Okay, infinite number. There is no restriction. So, but the validity period is 12 months. So you have to finish. The license expires after 12 months. Okay. All right. So feature number 13. So students, once they pass out and start earning, they can straight away start investing using this knowledge. So and meanwhile, when they're in college, they can master it. So they can use their pocket money, right? So they can practice, learn the skills first, and then with their pocket money, they can practice, start small, investing small amount. Okay. So by the time they pass out, they will be well matured and experienced. Okay. So they will be a seasoned investor by the time they pass out, and then they can invest after they start earning. So that is the whole idea. So for the working professionals, they can start investing slowly from their savings, and then when they gain confidence, so they can put a bigger chunk. Okay. So 14th feature is like just in case a student career trajectory doesn't go as per his plans. So suppose he wanted to be a manager or project manager or lead or something, senior manager, but somehow that doesn't work out. No, the career trajectory doesn't work out. So that he can compensate by this knowledge. He will be still better in terms of financial terms. He will be very good in kind of financial, right? Or after all, money matters, right? So even if he has not done the post, he has not reached, but he will be having the money through this knowledge. Okay, so at least he will be doing financially well using this knowledge through our course. Okay, so feature number 15 says that at the end of the course, that is the after going through the through our pre-recorded video lectures on successful stock market investing, so one should walk out as a confident individual in the investing world. Mean to say that he should be like very independent. He should be thinking very independent. He should know how to. He will be able to he will be able to find good stocks, invest in that stock confidently. He will know how to buy, when to buy, what to buy, and how much to buy, and then when to sell, when to buy more. So in the crashing markets, market crash, or the booming market, how he has to behave, everything he will be trained, well trained. Okay, yeah. So salient feature number 16. So a student can attend this course online from the comfort of their home, wisely utilizing their after college hours. Okay, and for the working professional, after their after office hours, they can utilize, and then they can go through this. And on weekend they can anyway go through lots of episodes. Okay, so instead of they can smartly utilize their time instead of watching toxic and unproductive content on the internet or TV. So they can smartly utilize their time. Yeah. Okay, so instead of spending time on this stupid things, you can use your time wisely, right, in noble causes for upskilling yourself. Okay, so that's all about the salient features. Now let us talk about the essence of investing, how it works. So in our promo video, you must have come across the stock called the Balaji Mines. So suppose I have invested a stock, say 1 lakh in Balaji Mines. Okay, I am here now preparing a video, delivering this presentation, and right now someone is working in the morning shift. Okay, now when I so that is the thing. Okay, now in the evening when I play badminton with my kids, so someone will be still be working in the factories and the mills in the second shift. Okay, okay, now when I go to sleep, someone will be still be working in the night shift. Okay, because the factory doesn't close now. So here 3 shifts, so morning shift, second shift, and night shift. So 8 into 3, 3 shifts. Okay, so they're working 24/7. So this goes on for 3 months, so 1 quarter. Okay, so end result, what is the end result? They won't be preparing any popcorns, right? So they will be doing some production. So this is a mine, so they will be preparing some specialty chemicals. So good production will be as a result, because 3 months they're working, right? So what is the result? Good production, which means the sales and revenues will be there. So after clearing of their inventories, they will have a sales and revenues, isn't it? So which means good result and good quarter, good earnings and good quarter result. Okay, so since this company is listed, so what will market will do? Since they have posted a good result, the market will reward this stock. That is the nature. That is the nature. That is the law. No? So any performing stock is there, with doing good, producing good result, the market rewards it. Sooner or later they will reward it, and I get richer because I have invested. No? So 1 lakh. So this has given return 40 times. No return. So 1 lakh ka 40 lakhs. Okay. So I get richer. This is how the whole setup, the stock market, work for us investors. So I have not gone a single time to visit any of the plants of this company. Okay, and I have done nothing. So here I've just parked my money in this stock and I got richer. So these whole things work. So somebody is working, you know. ठीक है, somebody is working for me. Either the money is working for me or the employee is working for me. So this whole setup, no, the stock market and this company and the employees, all this setup works for me. So this is a smarter way. So what is happening here? Okay, without doing anything, I got richer, isn't it? End result is that one, no? So we investors get rich without working. Okay, so I have put 1 lakh here and it transformed into 40 lakhs. Okay, so this is the, and without working. I am not gone any single time to their mills or factories, isn't it? So this is the easiest and the laziest way to get rich, isn't it? Right. So don't you want to learn the skill? So that's the question you have to answer. Okay. So that's all for the salient features. So next in the next clip we will be discussing the course details. What is the course content and the details.